it's possible we could soon see an updated version of Apple's AirPods. So we're going to go over what we expect to see and the things that we hope to see. Welcome everyone in our 1.5 year review. The AirPods are a masterpiece, though there still are a few areas that they could improve on for a second generation model. Starting off with what we know, which is a wireless charging case. Apple has already announced this case, so we know that it's inbound. We just aren't sure when. It's expected to work 100% with Apple's AirPower and likely other Qi chargers. While it will be available as an optional add-on accessory, we're hoping that it's just baked into the second generation version, no additional purchase necessary. Judging by the prevalence of third-party Qi adapters for AirPods, a lot of people really want wireless charging here. But these third-party adapters, they usually just add a Qi coil to the back of the AirPods case and use a non-certified MFI lightning cable. All of that gets pretty sketchy, and it exactly doesn't look great when you have to put on some sort of sleeve or case onto your AirPods case as is. So you're really looking to upgrade with wireless charging. Hopefully it'll be included in the second generation AirPods. We're also expecting, and I'll try not to say it in the video, but those magical keywords to invoke Siri. That 2-word phrase is expected to work right out of the gate with these, and you don't have to actually use your phone to invoke Siri. We're also expecting much better wireless connectivity. Now currently they already connect really well, but there are still a few drop-off points. Range is spectacular, everything else is great, but Apple has already moved on in other regards with their wireless chip. The AirPods use the W1 wireless chip, but even on the newer Apple Watch, it uses the W2. So we're expecting Apple to at least include the W2, if not possibly a W3 in the upcoming version of AirPods. It just overall should improve the wireless connectivity, a little bit more robust signal strength, but it should keep all the other same qualities, such as the impeccable range and all the other benefits that we get with Apple's custom-made chip. Many people wear their AirPods when they're running, jogging, working out, but we're really hoping in the next generation version to improve the water and sweat resistance. We're not including them to be waterproof where you can actually take them swimming or something, but just a little bit more robustness for working out. There are specific headphones that are great for working out because they really protect themselves against sweat, and we're hoping that Apple takes some of those steps in the upgraded version of AirPods. The last thing that we really expect to see is upgraded ambient noise handling. Not necessarily noise cancellation, but just a little bit better isolation and handling of that ambient noise to make the sound a little bit more sealed. Moving on to the things that we'd like to see, first up on the list is multiple colors. A black version of these could look really great. That way you could at least somewhat color match it with your version of iPhone that you're using. We know everyone goes gaga when Apple releases new colors of their iPhones, so we're hoping to see the same thing here. They did it with their Mac accessories, bringing that new space black keyboard, mouse, and trackpad, so why can't we have a black version of the AirPods? While we expect Apple to bring some form of an ambient noise handling to the new version of AirPods, we'd love to see more robust actual noise canceling. Not just ambient noise, but noise canceling overall. We also hope for a longer battery life. Battery life is already great here, but it could always be better. Lastly, we'd like some better controls. Right now there's some degree of tapping and gestures involved that you can customize on your phone, but it still seems very limited. Other wireless headphones really nail this, and the AirPods feel left in the dust. They could really improve it with either just more tapping and gestures or more customizability. Hopefully we'll see that next time. So what do you guys think? What are you looking for in the next generation of AirPods? Be sure to let us know down below in the comments, and if you still haven't picked up a pair of AirPods, you can find a link for that below.